where have you been?
Avoiding my dad.
Oh no, what happened now?
I sauntered down to breakfast thinking all is right with the world, and I get...
Son, we need to talk. You're the pride of Berk, son, and I couldn't be prouder.
Ah, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
When have I ever done that with my hands?
You just did.
Okay, just hold still. It's very serious.
You're all grown up, and since no chief could ask for a better successor, I've decided...
To make you chief! Oh my gods! What an honor. I'd be pretty excited.
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are. You always have.
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here.